Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunters here, and I'm going to be unboxing today the Docgrit 39-piece kitchen utensil set. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing this set. This order came with two things, so I actually opened it already to take the other thing out, but I have not unboxed the utensils themselves. So I'm excited to open this up and see everything I got. This is quite the set. Oh, it's a little heavy. Let's just get rid of that box. Okay, so here it is. Kitchen utensil set. It's a combination of wood and silicone. So with the silicone, what will happen is the wood will act as a nice buffer. You won't transfer the heat with that. So that'll be kind of nice. So like I said, this comes with 39 pieces. I'm gonna open it and see what we've got inside. Okay, here we go. Make sure you can see all that. Okay. Get all my junk out of the way. Oh, everything was stuffed right in here. So this is the Docgrit kitchen utensil set. All looks like most 39 pieces are right here. You can get this for $27.99 and it has a 5-star rating. It's also a Prime item. Another thing that's nice about it is it's all dishwasher safe. So let's see all the items that are in here. We've got our spatula. We've got a pasta server, a turner, slotted turner. We've got the ladle, as we already saw, a measuring cup, a slotted spoon, oops, a regular spoon for serving. Oh, this is a little ice cream scoop. A spoon server, spoon spatula. This is a can opener, tongs. I like silicone tongs. A baster. Measuring spoons. A whisk. Two of these silicone pot handles. That'll be nice. I always like the idea of these, but I've never bought them before, so I'm excited to use these. And then, if your kitchen allows for it, it does come with S-hooks. So if you're the type and you've got the kitchen for it, these have holes in them, and you can use the S-hooks to hang them all up, which would be pretty cute, because these are a nice gray. They'll definitely go with a lot of kitchens. So that'll be nice. Looks good, feels sturdy. Yeah, I'm excited to use them. Yep, that'll be nice. Let's see how it all looks in the bucket. Probably would have been a good idea to unbox a lot of, or unbag a lot of this stuff as I was describing it. So anyway, you get the gist. It's really cute. So there you have it. This is the Docgrit kitchen utensil set. Again, 39 pieces. So this will make a great starter set if you are getting a new house, new apartment. This is your first time buying utensils. This is a great set to start with because you have all of your basic needs right in this set. Or if somebody's getting married, this would be a nice gift. Right on Amazon, you can add this right to your wedding registry, which makes it really easy. And then the other thing, if you're like me and over the years you've gotten a lot of mix and match kitchen items, this would be something fairly inexpensive to just be able to get rid of all the mix and match and start fresh with a new set. So overall, really like it. I think I'm gonna enjoy using it, and I hope you do too.